Hey guys, welcome back. This is day 3 with ZoE Rom and this time I'm on Flash Kernel. So to put that into perspective, this is the last day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and test Flash Kernel with this particular ROM. The ROM so far has been brilliant, has been amazing. Everything is super smooth, super stable. I didn't find any issues, and that is what you expect from a ROM which is based on stock OS, that is Oxygen OS 5.0.3. Meanwhile, alright, just a moment here. So it's 5:51, the phone is charged 100%, and let me just show you guys. If you go to about, so that's Flash Kernel for you guys. All right, so I'm going to use the phone till tomorrow, probably tomorrow evening. Today is the 19th of February and it's a Monday. So by Tuesday evening, this test would be concluded. I'm getting a lot of comments on these particular videos from you guys, and I really appreciate that. But I want to know, how did you like this concept? How do you feel about this whole real life, vlogging plus reviewing ROMs and stuff like that? Because I'm going to do something exciting going forward to this as well. So until the next update, hey guys, good morning. So today it's the 20th of February and it's a Tuesday. So it's 12:09 in the morning, if you can see that. The phone is at around 25% battery. So well, this has been Flash Kernel that we have been using, and the usage has been mixed like it has been in the last 3 days, and we are running ZoE Rom, just to give you a heads up. I did run Antutu and it managed to score 206,000. The stock kernel scored 193,000, and then yesterday Blue Spark kernel scored around 203,000, and today it scored 206,000 for the Flash kernel. Overall, the ROM has been amazing. As I said earlier, there's not been any issues that I faced, but I still feel the battery drain is a little on the higher side. Now, the final verdict will be there in a few hours. Once the phone goes below 10%, that is when I'll be shooting the final verdict. So till then, goodbye. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the last update for ZoE Rom and Flash Kernel. The phone is at 2% battery. Right now it is 5:52 in the evening. So let me just give you a rundown on the stats here. So the last charge was 1 day, 2 minutes ago, and 6 hours and 3 minutes of screen on time. So that's good. Screen was 20%, YouTube was another 11%, and mobile standby and stuff like that. So this is basically a conclusion video. So I would like to share a few things before I actually wrap up on this particular ROM. Now first things first, after you watch this video, let me know in the comment section which is the next ROM you want me to try. Now I would not be trying a ROM which would be based on stock Oxygen OS. So we will try something like maybe Omni ROM or Resurrection Remix and stuff like that. So there is a ton of ROMs, there are a ton of ROMs available on XDA. So just go through the list and let me know which ROM do you want me to try. Till then I will continue using this particular ROM, and if you liked the concept of real life ROM reviews or not, because this is a lot of work, and if you guys like it, then I would continue to do that, or we could move to a more traditional way of reviewing ROMs. So that was that, and once again, as this is a conclusion video, what I would like to inform you is stock gave me around 5 hours of screen on time, and then on the second day we were on Blue Spark kernel, which gave me around 4 hours. This one gave me 6 hours of screen on time. Talking about benchmark numbers, stock was 193,000, Blue Spark was 203,000, and this here with Flash Kernel it was 206,000. So that sums up all the numbers that we have. This is a stock based ROM, so obviously I didn't have any issues. Magisk and everything else was working fine. So if you're looking for a daily driver which has root and has custom ROM feel to it and is based on stock operating system and the camera works and stuff like that, definitely you can try ZoE Rom. Highly recommended. It is a good ROM. So that was about it for this particular series, guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned and look at the description box for the Redmi 5A giveaway that is going on. Once again, thank you for your time. Nice talking to you guys. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.